Alright, I made it home from LS Fest with some reasonably minor issues. 2,000 miles in this TLS. First road trip test with it. It survived the burnout contest and the dyno. Drove really straight and smooth too. I was happy with it. It's pretty comfy. Okay, it's 1:15. I'm leaving here. Just getting ready to head to Kentucky. So 2,000 RPM in 6 gears, 78 miles an hour. Well, just ran into my first snag. That's problematic. So I have a feeling this place can fix my extra short shifter stick. So I nub shifted it to Summit in Talmadge, Ohio, and like 110 bucks later, had a stick and a knob to get me back functional. Oh, this sucks. T56 gearing ain't ideal for stop and go with a trailer behind you. Sounds really good next to Jersey barrier though. This is that Comanche my buddy Chris swapped, and we stopped at a Sheetz and got some lunch. It's pretty damn good. Almost 900 miles, finally made it to Beech Bend. Okay, we're here at LS Fest in like the overflow lot because I'm late, but I found GIF. I just found GIF's car. I just got to find him. This thing is pretty sick. I just found his channel the other day. That was a cool ass car. He came from a little further than I did. Love the second gen Trans Am. I really got to get my Camaro done. I had the hoopty cross there. I don't know if this Crown Vic was swapped, but I'm guessing that Camaro must be. I didn't actually see it run. Okay, let's get this shifter sorted out so it's a little better. Because this messes with your head. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That looks more like neutral than sixth. Or second looks like neutral. So I gotta do that offset, make that thing work. Alright, I'm trying to do some parking lot repairs with limited success. I gotta re-crimp this to get my cruise control to work, but I can't get this cable to come out far enough. I can hear it snagging inside there. I probably can't pop that thing out of there either, but the way it's sitting right now, it's just flexing the firewall, not coming out, so I'll have to mess with that later. So no cruise for the ride home. But I did find my little adapter back in the trailer after looking for it for a while, and sort of rigged up the shifter offset so that now neutral should sort of look like neutral. First will look like first, because it was all screwy before, and it kind of makes driving hard. Oh, hell yeah, that's way better. So this is neutral. There's first. There's sixth. Like, that actually looks right now. Oh, I don't know if I can get in reverse though. Let me check. Okay, yep, it is reversed, so I should be golden. Third gear, burnout, barely spun at all. Tried first, just banged off limiter, didn't get enough wheel speed. Second gear wasn't too bad, but it was still pushing through my front brakes because I got that leaky master cylinder. Yeah, alright, well, burnouts were a little weak, so we're putting the street tires back on because there's 900 miles home. Look at this piece of shit! What's this fucking garbage? Met up with Mike from Gifted Garage. I had to go home to New York and he had to go home to Boston. And if either of us broke, we had somebody to help out. See, this is why you pack your trailer a bunch of a whole shit, because there might be an Nascar that needs a relay with a fuse in it because his is burned up. So now it's covered. Yeah, look at that. It's probably the same exact Amazon shit from both of us. That dang NASCAR sounds nice. Something fucking stinks here. What do we, oh yeah, maybe this is what fucking stinks. Got a late start coming home Sunday, so stopped in PA at a hotel. So I ended up getting the hotel last night. I was getting tired, plus this thing seemed like it was down on power. Then I noticed when we got to the gas station, it was too loud. And I don't know if you can see it, but I got a bolt missing in my flange there. It's probably with the O2, and made it feel down on power because it was louder than it should be for how much throttle I had to give it. Hey, what asshole put this flange way back here and didn't weld a nut on there to make it easier to get through? Some dickhead. Okay, actually got the wrench in there, jamming that against the block. Turn. Let's go. Yeah, so on the way down here, wiper blade broke and I fixed it on the side of the road. This is actually the new one from Summit that I forgot to put on here in the whole trip. But now I can get back on the road. Whole way back, I've been traveling this thing and it still looks crazy. Yeah, I saw this leak and said, oh shit, is that me? And it's coming out my bulkhead for my return. Because that tiny little leak right at the top here that's never a problem is a problem when I'm parked on an angle like this. So let's get the fuck out of here. This is where we say goodbye. Adios. See ya. Here's leaving PA, back in New York. And this is the turn to State Route 10, bringing me right back home, 2,000 miles later. I put in a new brake master cylinder for the front brakes before I left, and it's leaking, and it looks like it's coming from the piston of the master cylinder itself. So that means I got to pull this whole dash out to fix the damn thing. So what I did is I just pulled this cluster and put some fluid in it before I came home.